Good day viewers, welcome to Vayo's Kitchen. Today I am going to be teaching how to make flour paste, which is popularly known as gum paste. And here are my ingredients. I have icing sugar here, 500 grams. I have my separated egg white from yolk, 4. Tylose 12 level teaspoon. Vegetable shortening 1 tablespoon. And extra icing sugar for later use. Now here is my icing sugar that I have already sieved. My egg white has already been separated. My shortening has already been measured. And my tylose already measured. Now the first thing I'm going to do now is to pour in my icing sugar into the mixing bowl. And then after that, I'm going to be adding the egg white. Now this flour paste I am making is a flour paste I like using at all time. It has never disappointed me, and I hope it will do the same to you also. Now I've added my egg white and I want to start. I have to mix it until it is pure white and elastic. Then I will know that my royal icing is ready. Remember, what I am forming first is the royal icing, which is the combination of my egg white and my icing sugar. Now after that, the next thing that goes in is make sure it's scrape size of pan first. Now the next thing that goes in is my tylose. Now remember that tylose is not always very good to be used when you are using mixer, because it has a way it hardens whatever you are mixing, and if you are not careful with it, it will just spoil your mixer. So what do? I just added the tylose and I am mixing. As soon as I notice that my mixer has begun to shake, I will just off it because I wouldn't want it to spoil my mixer. And then after that, I will return it to the work table. Then with my icing sugar, the one I set aside, I will now begin to knead. You can see how hardened it has become as I am pulling it out from the paddle attachment. Now, the 200 grams of icing sugar that I set aside is not compulsory that all must go in. All I needed to do here is just to incorporate it until it gives me the texture or the consistency I will need for my flour paste. So don't go putting in everything with hope that it has to go in. Just monitor it. By the time it becomes pliable and elastic and smooth enough, then you stop. Now I've added my shortening and I am working. You can see it. I am now kneading. I have to do this until everything is well mixed, smooth and pliable. Remember, you don't have to be in a hurry to knead this. Just knead it for some time so that you will be sure that your flour paste is elastic enough. Now this flour paste is something I will advise everybody not to use immediately. What I just added is my remaining egg white, the smaller one that came down from the sides of the bowl. Not that I broke another one, take note. So now you can see it's very smooth. I'm now going to wrap it up until 24 hours. I don't use it immediately if you want a good result. By the next day, you cut a little, soften it and start working with it. Thank you very much. Please share. Bye.